Let me go ahead and show you. I got it packed, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add that in there. Not if you want some salt on there, but I'm gonna do a good amount on here. And I'm gonna let this sit on these wings for about an hour. The seasoning smells absolutely good. And again, sharing is caring. It's just some honey, garlic, market. So I'm gonna add some pepper. These, and I'm gonna put them in my roaster pan. I'm not gonna put them in the oven because I want to see how it'll be if I put them in the pepper. All right, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and stir this up, and I'll be back. See it from the camera. See it. All right, y'all, welcome back. And it's hot. I'm gonna put water down at the bottom. Don't burn, y'all can see it. I'm gonna make sure I pour it down in there. Season, look at that. The juice from when the chicken was marinated. And I'm just gonna put it right there in that hole so that way a little bit. In case if you want to see, this is the roaster oven that I'll see you guys once it start cooking, and we'll be back. But I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce. This Sweet Baby Ray. Use a half a bottle of that to add. So give it a little the Kinder brand jelly. Give this a stir. Alright, so we're gonna let that cook a little bit. Brown, as you can see.